Good morning, my dear student. Today I bring a construction chapter. So, how to construct a 90-degree angle. So, here I given such step that you follow and you can easily construct the 90-degree angle. So, let's do how to construct the 90-degree angle in this video that we learn. Good morning, my dear student. Here today we construct an angle 90 degree. So let's start. How first to draw a line segment, that is AB. This is the line segment A and B, correct? Then by using a compass, taking A as a center, okay, and any radius, draw an arc cutting AB at C. Okay, so this one C, right? Now taking C as a center and same radius as before, draw an arc intersecting the previous drawn arc at point D. So here we cut, that is D, right? D. Now with D as a center and the same radius, draw an arc cutting the arc at E. Arc E, correct? Now with D and E as the center and radius more than half of DE, drawn two arcs intersecting at point P. So from here, this one we marking E, right? From this point here we cut a arc, and from here we cut a arc. Okay, that is a intersecting point P, right? Now this point P and A we join by a ruler. Okay, so we joined the 2 point, this one and this point. So A and P point we join now, right? Now this line join P and A point, and it is a perfect 90-degree angle produced, right? So thus angle BAP is equal to 90 degree. Now for information, we measure this angle by using a protractor. So we put the protractor on this figure and we measure the angle, right? So this is an accurate 90-degree angle that is we produce, right? I hope student you understand how to construct an angle 90 degree.